Hi, and welcome to I Can Doodle. Let's do a fun chicken together. First, lay your hand like so on the paper. And then you're going to kind of trace it out. Just like so. Like that. Then you're going to take this line that's here. You're going to bring it down, continue it. Just like so. You're going to make a fun circle for the egg. Then another egg. And keep it going. Another egg down here. See there? Now you're going to take on the top. Nice. Little eye. Okay. And then for the beak, you're going to draw it back towards the face. Draw the letter C. And there you have it. There's a chicken. Let's go ahead and fill it in with color. Don't forget to like, subscribe to I Can Doodle. And there you have it, a chicken from a hen.